I'm here at Uncle Lou's. It's my first time, and I've already ordered. I've ordered the duck something. I've got some soup here. I'm just waiting for my order. It's really cute, and I'm in downtown Chinatown here. Okay, I am hungry. Oh wow, this is really good. So, as you guys know, or if you don't know, I'm here for the Diddy trial. I'm going to be covering that Friday. And if you've already heard, or if you haven't heard, there is no acquittal and there is no new trial. So the sentencing is going to move forward. And I'm very excited to cover that. So we shall see. And in between, I'm just going to be meeting up with some friends and like checking out places. And I'm at a really cute place too. It's a really cute hotel. So far so good. Check out my my live stream from yesterday. I went to I did some at Columbus Park and I walked through Chinatown. So if you guys have any recommendations, put it in the comments. And as I said, I am gonna see if I can get into the courthouse, or I don't know. I really want the courthouse, but I mean the overflow room. I guess that's fine too. But I know it's gonna be pretty hard. But I don't know. At least I'll be there around. So we'll see. Kira, hi Kira. How are you? Yay! That's one of my really, really good friends who's joined. Hi, Kira. I'm back home. I'm originally from the East Coast trial, and I miss the East Coast so much. You know what? I'm going to take you guys outside for a little bit, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm just going to show them the outside of your place. Is that okay? All right, guys. I'll show you. Push. Sorry. It's okay. Thank you. All right. Here I am. Here we are. Uncle Lou's, guys. It's gorgeous. Look over there. That's Columbus Park over there. New York. Here we are.
What, just here?
Oh, it's so good to be back home, let me tell you. I just can't believe it's like in the 70s and it's October. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I have this really bad habit of wandering around and going too far. So I better head back. Just in case, my luck. The food is ready and I'm not there. Well, my stuff is there. So
Okay, thank you.
let's go back just in case.
Okay, thank you so much.
And I am hungry, so. Sorry. Okay, I'm back now in the restaurant. Oh, the food's ready. Oh my gosh, I knew it. Perfect timing. Look, guys. Can you guys see that? That looks amazing. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy. Food. Oh my god, look at this. It's gorgeous. See that? So fun to see New York City with you. Yes, Kira, yes. All right. So I got, okay, so I had it. So here it is. Do you guys see it? It's gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. Okay, how am I going to do this? Let's see. And the waitress was so nice. She gave me a fork. I guess she just knew that I didn't know how to use chopsticks. Oh, wow, that looks great. I forgot what it was, though, that I ordered. I should really find out. You know what? I'm going to go get the menu. Hang on one second. Oh, you know what? I'll ask the waiter. So that way I can start eating. I'll let you know how it is. He said that it was supposed to be on the sweet side, but he wasn't going to make it that sweet for me. Because I kind of wanted something a little more savory. Note to self, it's not deboned. It's good, but it's not deboned. So you have to be really careful while you're eating it. I'm going to finish this, or actually no, I'm going to wrap this and get this to go. But I'll be back in about an hour or two, and hopefully I'll be in Little Italy, and I'll report to you live from there. Okay, guys, thank you for supporting me. I love you guys. Okay, bye for now. If I could turn this thing off.